Hello everyone, Con here. Welcome back to another video. And first of all, let me just tell you guys. For me, Christmas was awesome. I got this hat, Charmander, I got this cool sweater. I got ouch. I got a new 2DS Pokemon Ultra Moon and X and Y U's, which has a ton of good Pokemon and stuff. And I also got a Gengar hat at home about my cousins. But today we're opening a pack of Pokemon. I would open more, but I only got one. And I'm planning on doing some videos for Pokemon games and stuff. So, wow, this hasn't happened in a while. It has the Ho-Oh, and the pack's actually a Ho-Oh. The camera's over here, I just noticed. We are opening this right up. Right, okay. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. We got Guzma. And if you guys want me to do I know it's not a lot of you guys out there, but still, if you guys want me to record Pokemon games like Moon and X and Y and stuff, just let me know in the comment section. Got a Soul Rock. Oh yeah. First, before I continue, here's you guys' code. Just so you know. Get your free Pokemon online. We got a Plumira, however you pronounce that. Gunk. Magikarp. Oh my gosh. Meow, that's right. A Wimpod, Togedemaru, Mura, whatever. Curlia. It's pretty good. And for our rare is Osmero. And I also got a fire type energy, but let me just show you guys. You can't really see it that well, but Pokemon Moon, Ultra Moon I'm playing right now. And if you guys want me to do a Let's Play, just let me know. If you guys want to see some game footage, just let me know down in the comments. And hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. And see you in the next video. Bye!